best places to visit in Philippines. The Philippines is a destination that is easy to visit multiple times due to its 7,000 islands. The most difficult decision you make as a traveler is figuring out which island to visit first. The Philippines is divided into the three main island groups of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, representing different regions in the country. The scenery in each region of Philippines ranges from mountainous and tropical to metropolitan. The steep, lush mountains provides unforgettable hiking experience. And since you are surrounded by Pacific Oceans, the scuba diving opportunities and beaches are some of the best in the world. Boracay. There is a reason that Boracay Islands is considered the beach capital of Philippines because there are more than 12 beaches. This tiny island in the West Visayas region is ideal for beachgoers or after simple relaxation in the sun or water activities. White beaches on the west side of the island is one of the most popular beaches with a lively reputation. Puka Shell Beach is on the tip of the island and is a favorite spot for shell collectors. Dinivit Beach is a tiny beach at the north end of White Beach that has best view of the island. This island is known for its many resorts, so finding a place to stay is easy. For a panoramic view of the island, take a day trip to Mount Luho, its highest point. Bohol. The island of Bohol in the Philippines Central Visayas region runs at slower pace and it's a destination that showcases the country's natural beauty. One of the most unique natural wonders on the island is Chocolate Hills in Carmen. This UNESCO protected site is a collection of 1200 geological formation that turns brown in the dry season, resembling a landscape of chocolate candy kisses. Bohol is home to family-owned sanctuary for the tiny tarsier primate, known for its large engaging eyes. For a small fee, you can take a intimate walk through the grounds and stand inches away from the small nocturnal mammal. The showcase of Bohol is the beach. Cebu. The island of Cebu in the Central Visayas region is considered the port to one of the best diving and snorkeling in Philippines. If you are an underwater enthusiast, Cebu is one of your best options for excursion that gets you up close to whale sharks, coral reef, and sea turtle. Some of the most spectacular sceneries from the water near Cebu are the sea caves that attracts photographers and outdoor enthusiasts. The Sunlawn National Park, located approximately an hour from Cebu City, is a breathtaking park to explore the hike. While Cebu's greatest draw is its water, Cebu City is a metropolitan area with tourist attractions like museums and cathedrals that will interest history buffs. Banawi. The rice terraces of Banawi are one of the most striking things to see in Philippines. The emerald green terraces are agricultural wonder in the area. Your most impressive view of terraces is at sunrise, when clouds and fog lifts off mountain to reveal the intricate landscape of terraces. The Batat rice terraces and the Bangan rice terraces are protected UNESCO World Heritage Sites. For a deeper taste of this region, take a stroll through the Banawi ethnic village or the Haywang village to mingle with indigenous people who form the rice terraces. City of Vigan. The historical city of Vigan in the northern Philippines is one of the most charming towns to visit in Luzon region. Its culture is fusion of Chinese and Spanish influence, originating from settlers to the area. Take a ride in horse-drawn Calesa through the streets and admire the colonial architecture, courtesy of the Spanish who colonized the area in the 18th century. Vigan is a city with many nuances. To explore, the west view of the area is from the Bante Bell Tower, which is also a noted landmark in the area. The Calais Crisologo Historic District is a walkable district where you will encounter many local craftsmen and see historical architecture. A visit to the St. Paul Metropolitan Cathedral is breathtaking and a perfect spot to sit and people watch as you take in the local culture. Manila. The Philippines capital of Manila on the island of Luzon is a bustling city with non-stop activity. Hop on the board one of the colorful jeepneys, the main form of public transportation, to get a taste of local life. Usually overpacked with locals, the bumpy ride through the streets on the iconic and kitschy jeep or bus. Hybrid vehicles will be one of the highlights of your visit. Plan stops to the main park in the city, the Rizal Park and the historical San Agustin Church that was built in 16th century. Buy local fruits and handmade gifts at the public market at Guayapo Church, where you are likely to see several thousand people show up on Fridays for the worship. Davao City. For a city scene outside of Manila, head to Davao City, which has a large metropolitan area. Davao City is the main city in the southern Philippines. Despite its small and large population, Davao City features many natural elements, including Eden Natural Park, Philippines Eagle Center, and the Davao Baywalk near the sea. One of the must-visit spots in Davao City is Mount Apo, the highest mountain in the Philippines. Davao City is a prime location for shopping as there are several large malls. For a peek into Davao City history and culture, the tiny Davao Museum of History and Ethnography is worth a visit. Sagada, one of the most unique experiences you can have in Philippines, is in the northern tribal region in Sagada. Nestled in the rugged and the remote Cordillera Mountains are tribes that embrace the occasional visitors. This area is a paradise for advanced outdoor enthusiasts. The steep mountains and high elevation enhance the thrill and skill level required for outdoor adventure. One of the must-sees in this region are the hanging coffins that hide deep in the mountains. It is best to connect with a local guide to take you to this incredible site, because this is not a tourist area but rather an authentic tribal region, hiding experience worthy of bragging rights. Hiking is popular in Sagada, particularly to Mountain Ampaco, which has the highest peak in the region. Coron Island, one of the top diving destinations in the world. Coron Island is tropical paradise with electric blue and green water that almost seems unreal. The mountainous island sits on the tip of the Palawan Island region, the westernmost section of the island in Philippines. The island is popular for diving because of numerous wrecks here. Many of the preserved shipwrecks are located in depth ranging from shallow water at just 3 meters to deep water at 42 meters. Some of the wrecks requires more than one dive. Check out Barracuda Lake, a former volcano with many unusual rock formation and fish. Baguio. Baguio is a city tucked away in a mountainous region on Luzon City. Though it is a city, Baguio is intimate and reminiscent of a cottage-type environment. Baguio is called the City of Pines for the rich pine forest and cooler temperature that surround it. Baguio is unique to other destinations because the city is surrounded by trees and not water. Parks like Mines View and Burnham let you enjoy some of the flora and fauna that are special to this region. Be sure to spend some time along Sessions Road, which is main drag through Baguio, where you can take in a slice of local life.